At Brightpoint, we believe in education for all.
Celebrating our differences.
A success story for every student.
Learning from each other.
Community.
Listening to differing viewpoints.
Supporting each other.
Respect.
Empowering anyone from anywhere to be successful in their academic and professional pursuits.
At Brightpoint, we believe in unity. For the past month, we've hosted the Unity Project at both of our campuses.
Unity is an interactive art installation
that gives the participants the opportunity to tie strings around poles that represent their unique beliefs and interests.
As more and more people participate, a beautiful web is created.
Up close, you can see each individual string that represents a person.
But when you look at the whole, you get a visual of our community and the many ways we are interconnected.
Together, we created a beautiful representation of our community
And celebrated Brightpoint as a place where all belong.